Welcome everyone to AppleInsider. MagSafe Duo is here after being announced at the iPhone 12 event and then failing to show up for several weeks. Apple has finally started shipping it, and we have had ours for a few days. So we're going to go through that in this video, what we think of it, what its problems or compromises are, and if you stay tuned until the end, we also have a durability test that we need to talk about. Inside of the box of MagSafe Duo, you get a few kind of getting started guide / regulatory info. You have the charger itself, and then a 1 meter lightning to USB-C cable that is used to power up the MagSafe Duo. Notice Apple didn't include a USB-C power brick in the box to go with this included cable. You're going to need to provide that on your own. So what can MagSafe Duo do, and why is it worth it over other wireless chargers? Well, it's a pretty simple affair. It's a dual charging pad that'll charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone or any other Qi-enabled device at the same time. It also is capable of folding in half so you can easily take it with you on the go. Honestly, as far as wireless chargers go, this is one of the most compact ones we've seen. Even folded in half, this is smaller than a lot of the other wireless chargers that are out there, and it can charge at higher speeds. We even love the Apple Watch charging puck here because, like Apple's standalone Apple Watch dock, the puck can rotate up or down, so you can use the watch charger flat, or you can prop it up for nightstand mode, which can always depend on what band you're using as well. Once you've got the MagSafe Duo plugged in, you can go ahead and plop down your Apple Watch, set down your iPhone 12, and you're good to start charging. Now this does use MagSafe. Like the standalone MagSafe charger, it will magnetically pull your iPhone into place, which means it is perfectly aligned and gets the maximum charging speeds that are allowed based on the USBC brick that you're using. If you are using a 20 watt USB-C power brick, you should be able to get 11 watts of wireless power for your iPhone 12 when you have it on the MagSafe Duo. However, if you go up to a 27 watt or higher USB-C power brick, you can get even faster speeds, up to 14 watts of power. This still works with standard Qi devices like your AirPods Pro or any other Qi-enabled device, though you're not going to get the same high speeds. You're going to get a bit lower depending what those objects can accept. Still, it's pretty awesome that the MagSafe Duo works so well with the iPhone 12 line, but still offers that backward compatibility with any Qi-enabled devices that you've got lying around. Not only is MagSafe Duo great for on your desk, but because it does fold up, it is so easy to take with you. Fold in half, it magnetically holds itself closed, toss it in your bag, and hit the road. That way you've always got your MagSafe Duo with you, and you can charge 2 devices with that single cable. And because it uses the same cable your iPhone's already using, it's even better. Now there are some minor quibbles that we have with the MagSafe Duo. The starting out one is pretty simple, which is that it can be a little hard to take your iPhone off with one hand. Because it is magnetically attached, you do have to kind of peel your phone off either with 2 hands or kind of gripping behind it just a little bit. The other qualm we have is the fact that Apple didn't include a USB-C brick in the box. Normally this wouldn't be an issue, but because you do need such a fast charging block to go with it, it can get pretty expensive. Apple's own 30 watt USB-C power brick is $50 on top of the $129 from the MagSafe Duo. That is a $180 charger just to charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch when you already have those chargers included in the box. There are alternative chargers out there. We've linked a couple of our favorites down below, but they're still going to be at least $20. Now, the last thing that we want to talk about is durability of the MagSafe Duo, specifically that hinge. To test the MagSafe Duo, AppleInsider partnered with a testing lab in the Metro Washington, D.C. area. With one fold made every 9 seconds, the lab found that the hinge started to break down at 180 folds and completely failed by 212. Whether or not you're going to see fatigue failure in the hinge very much depends on your own use case, but that's only one fold or unfold every 4 days, over 2 years before fatigue failure on that hinge could rear its ugly head, at least based on these tests. We love the functionality of MagSafe Duo, and Apple's polish on this device is top notch. The metal accents around the lightning port, just the stainless steel Apple Watch charging puck itself, it all feels very quality, very high end, and we love the backward compatibility. But the cost is just so high and has slower charging speeds than regular MagSafe. There's no USB-C power brick included in the box, and durability may be a big issue. For those reasons, it definitely makes it hard to fully recommend MagSafe Duo, but many Apple users, like us, are probably still going to pick one up. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can find the link down below in the description, and let me know what you think over on Twitter.